Today at Beth's Keto Kitchen, we're making delicious oven-baked beef back ribs with a keto-friendly barbecue sauce and a side of twice-baked loaded cauliflower. I will be sure to list the recipes in the description box below. Join me and let's get cooking. I have 5.5 pounds of beef back ribs, and I have got them on a rack here with a pan about 1 inch deep, and I'm just going to go ahead and season these to put them in the oven. So we'll start with some pink sea salt. Next we'll add savory steak and chop seasoning, and I'll include the link in the description box below to purchase the spices that I used. After seasoning the meat, add 2 cups of water to the bottom of the pan. And this will just allow the ribs not to dry out while they're cooking. We will cook these uncovered in a 275-degree oven for 2 hours. While these are cooking, we'll go ahead and prep our Keto BBQ sauce. To make the barbecue sauce, add a 1/2 cup of G. Hughes Sweet and Spicy, a 1/2 cup of sugar-free ketchup, a capful of liquid smoke, a teaspoon of onion powder, and 4 tablespoons of brown sugar swerve. We'll bring this to a boil, mixing it, then reduce heat and let it simmer for 5 minutes. So I think at this point now, I'm going to go ahead and put sauce on them and put those in like a Dutch oven or a bigger casserole dish and put those back in the oven. Okay, so I've got my roasting pan ready here, and I just put a little bit of water on the bottom, as you can see there. And I'm going to just transfer my ribs. And then I will start putting on the barbecue sauce. So this one is for the family. So they're getting the Aldi version of the Sweet Baby Ray's. I just have a little foil in there so that I can put my ribs in there for the keto sauce to kind of keep that separate from the other ones. So there is 2 of them. I'll start with the first one. So there's the barbecue sauce, and I did add 2 more tablespoons of the brown sugar, the brown sugar swerve. As you know, I like to taste, and then that's how I cook and make recipes, by tasting. All right, let's get the back side of that one. Let me move this so that you can see. And I will, of course, list the recipe in the description box below, and I will add the jump to time in case you just want to jump to the barbecue sauce. So I will be sure and do that. And for a side dish, I'm going to make the twice-baked cauliflower. So if you guys have not seen that recipe video, then I will go ahead and also put a link in the description box for the twice-baked cauliflower, because that is delicious, and my whole family that are sad dieters like that. So finish saucing up your ribs. Then cover the pan with foil, and then we'll put the lid on and place it back in the oven at 275 for another hour. All right, so the ribs have been in for an hour with the barbecue sauce. So let's just take them out. Oh, they smell good, you guys. I have my loaded twice-baked cauliflower all prepped and ready to go in the oven. And again, I will link that recipe video for you so you have that. Oh, look at that. Oh, those look delicious. Okay, oh my gosh. Those look so yummy. I just probably better move this so you can see better. So these are the keto ribs here. Look at those. That looks really yummy. Oh, they're nice and soft. I think what I'm gonna do is probably put them back on the rack now and do a little more sauce, turn the temp up, and then let the sauce kind of bake into them so they get a little kind of a crispy shell. All right, so I've got the ribs transferred back to the rack, and I'm just going to put a little bit more sauce on. I've increased the temp to 350. So this is the Keto BBQ sauce on my ribs section. And then of course the family, we've got to have regular barbecue sauce. The loaded cauliflower, I'm putting that in uncovered, and it will probably about 30 minutes. So that's going to go in with the ribs. All right, so I think I'm going to keep those out. They look perfect. And I'm just going to move this cauliflower up to the next rack and let that finish cooking. And then we'll plate it all up. So these are the keto ribs with that keto sauce. Don't those look delicious? All right, so here we have it. Our beef back ribs baked in the oven. We have the keto friendly barbecue sauce and the regular barbecue for the rest of the family, and the twice baked cauliflower. So I'm just gonna go ahead and dish some up here. Doesn't that look good? And let's do a rib. Ooh, these look so good. Check it out. If you guys are enjoying these recipe videos, please subscribe, like, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you are notified each time I upload a new recipe video. I hope that you're having a wonderful night. It is Valentine's Day here, so we're gonna go enjoy our Valentine dinner of these beautiful beef ribs and twice baked cauliflower. I'll have the recipe in the description box below, and I will link the loaded cauliflower recipe as well. All right, thank you so much for watching. Bye.